Chapter 41. The Vanaras Strike Back. Sugriv, the Monkey King, freshly recovered from his wounds, gathered a contingent of his Vanara warriors. In the midst of the night, they entered the city of Lanka, and like Hanuman before them, set fire to key strategic and military installations. The Rakshasas in the city fled from the flaming buildings in terror. Confusion and mayhem reigned in Lanka, with no clue of where the next Vanara strike may occur. Within hours, weapons, food stores, and vital supplies lay reduced to ashes. The people of Lanka, devastated, placed the blame for their predicament not on Prince Rama, who had placed their city under siege, but on their king's sister, Suparnika, who had attempted to seduce the prince, and on the demon king himself, who had abducted the prince's wife. Over the next few days, a distraught and desperate Ravana sent the sons of his brothers Kumbhakana and Ka into battle. Like the generals and the sons of Ravana before them, they were all slain on the battlefield, most of them by the great soul Hanuman himself. The son of Vayu remained an elemental force in the war, a ferocious storm incarnate. Meanwhile, Ram, leading a Vanara contingent of his own, destroyed vast battalions of Lanka's army. The prince was so magnificent in battle that at times warriors of both sides stopped to witness the spectacle of the greatest warrior of their age. His valiance and bravery cementing a place in legend, Ram would be the inspiration for the greatest of warriors in the millennia to come. Ravana turned once more to the son who had never failed him, Indrajit. Twice before, Indrajit had brought victory where all others had failed. Now, he prepared again, donning his armor and entering the battlefield with his royal guard. Once more, Indrajit's sorcery made it impossible to detect where his attacks emanated from. But this time, the demon prince employed new depths of cruelty. After vanishing into shadow, he re-entered the battlefield through another gate, his chariot thundering forward. From a distance, the Vanaras saw him dragging a figure by the hair, a woman, her form delicate, her garments torn. Hanuman's heart clenched in terror. "Ma Sita," he cried, his voice breaking with anguish. Indrajit struck his captive repeatedly. An enraged Hanuman thundered towards the chariot, but Indrajit's elite guard held him at bay. And then, to the horror of the Vanara warriors, Indrajit raised his sword high, and before their disbelieving eyes, he plunged the blade through his helpless captive's body. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.